Hi guys, today I was at McDonald's, then I got a Happy Meal, and then they gave me this toy inside. We are McDonald's, so let's see what we could do. I got a treat.
Oh, what? Actually.
Kinda looks cute.
Yeah. With what? For these nuggets.
Yeah. Mom, do you have a pen?
Can I go to apple juice?
Yeah, I think I got the. What is
Which
it?
one is that? Nothing?
4-piece McNuggets.
Yeah.
Looks cute. Right. I thought you said the bank was gonna close.
At 4. What time now? 3:37? Almost. Hold on, okay?